What's going on, guys? Here we have a Mainstays hugger with gloves. It's a Mainstays 42-inch, and I just got done putting it together. And yeah, I both sides. One's old, one's I don't know, one's brown. So I'm gonna put them on low. Here it is. My iPad doesn't have that much light. Light doesn't work on. And it's plugged in right here. The ceiling fan is. Looks fine. Yeah, looks really fine. It's my first fan in the collection. And the plug is borrowed from my lamp. So yeah. This is medium. Works really fine. And it's wobbling. And the other side. Oh God. Yeah, that's high. Like I said, this is my first fan. Got this from Walmart today. I went shopping garden and I got this fan. It's really nice for me to get this. And bye. I'm gonna turn this off. Wait. I'm sure it in reverse. Here it's low.
Hey, though. Girl, you get down from here, girl. Yeah, I could quiz. You're really good at drawing. You relate to you?
Here is medium. It does wobble, cause it has a wobble.
I know that is tough here to go through that.
What was that? Medium. I mean high. I think. Here's a closer look at it. Yeah, really nice looking fan. Brian, and I hope you're watching this. And Brian, I'm sorry for what I did to you. I don't know why you unsubscribed to me. So if you're watching this, please, I'm sorry. Brian, this is my first fan, so I hope you like it. Now I'm going to turn off. And yeah, guys, this is my fan. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.